Hi, this is Josie Limos from BayleeWorld.net, and my Bayley show starts right now. Hi, this is Josie Limos from BayleeWorld.net. This is called the Cyber Pegasus Battle Series Battle 2 with our second match. We have Cyber Pegasus versus Lightning Eldrago. They'll be in the BB10 Attack at Bay Stadium. 35 rounds winner for the fans. Try. Now let's begin with round 1. Let's go! Cyber! Let's go! Eldrago! Who will win? Cyber is a stadium! Ow! What a reckless blow from Eldrago! 1-0. Let us move on to round 2. Lightning! Eldrago! Cyber! Assist! Okay, Cyber doesn't want to play today. 2-0. Let us move on to the next round. That is 3. Eldrago. Cyber. Well, what did I just, I didn't even see it. Round 3 is Eldrago. Eldrago is our winner. We'll be moving on to round 4, or the fan round, depending on how this battle goes. Eldrago. Okay, well, no. Drago just wants to say no today. It's, leaving the Beyblade shop and just, going back to his home. Cyber is our winner for that round. It's 3-1. We'll do one more round to fans. Or round 5. So, yeah. Let's go, okay, there we go. Lightning! And Cyber! Eldrago is our undeniable champion. So anyways, if you want to like this video, please like it. If you favorite, cheer. No obligation on your side. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this battle as much as I did.